Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us again at TOA Electronics. Welcome to the CX1000 series How-To Video Guide, where we'll walk you through the key steps to set up and manage your CX1000 system with ease. Today, we'll continue with installing the PC settings software. Remember, the installation consists of three main steps as displayed on your screen. In this video, we'll show you how to create a user using pgAdmin4, which was installed alongside PostgreSQL 13. Start pgAdmin4. The main application window should now be displayed. Connect to the server. Click and expand Servers on the side menu, then click PostgreSQL 13. Begin creating a new role. Right-click Login/Group Roles in the Expanded Servers folder. Select Create, then Login/Group Role. A new window will appear. Click the General tab and enter the name CX_admin into the Name field. Set the user password. Now click the Definition tab and enter CX_admin into the password box. Finally, click the Privileges tab. Configure the necessary settings as required and then click the Save button. The CX_admin user file is now created. Your next step is to install the CX1000 settings software itself. Watch the video titled Install the CX1000 settings software for clear step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching.